Hello kids and welcome back to Navya and ojaswi channel. So today is my birthday and do you know I am so happy about it. So how to make cake? We have to know actually it is coronavirus. We can't get cake, right? And we can even if we get cake we can not even hot it. That's why how to make homemade cakes. It is very easy. First, we have to grind the biscuits. Before that, I am going to tell you ingredients: hot milk, little warm milk, brown sugar, biscuits, packets, the 2 packets, and we will grind them. And then we need cocoa powder, and then we need butter and some cream for decorating, or else you can take even chocolate. Now let's grind the 2 biscuits. So we have grinded the biscuits and now we are going to put brown sugar and then cocoa powder and then milk. Let's put the full brown sugar in this. One spoon cocoa powder. Now let's mix it a little. Now we'll put this milk also in the jar and mix it for the cake, my birthday cake. And all the ingredients in the milk, and it's looking like a cream, hard cream, and we'll put this much baking soda in this, and again we will mix it little. Now let's put this chocolate thing in the now let's put the cake for baking. It was too much and I put it in 2 bowls. One is round, one is like a square. Did the decoration with whipping cream and chocolate. I hope you liked the cake video. Then subscribe my channel. Bye bye and like.